Hello everyone! Today we continue working with a red lace dress. Today we'll show you the fitting. Have a look at our customer. The dress is just tacked. We haven't adjusted anything yet. And now we'll see if we need to do it. I think that the dress fits Inga almost perfectly, so we won't have to make many adjustments. The length is perfect. I think we'll make the dress just a bit narrow at the bottom. We also need to adjust the chest, but just a bit. Don't pin much. Just a couple of millimeters. I also want to pin the side seam a bit. Just on the waistline. Don't touch hips. The dress looks amazing on a body. We want our customers to be the best. French lace, Spanish silk, and very nice body make a good combination. As I've said, we wanted to make the dress narrow at the bottom, but Inga says that she likes the dress this way. Turn around. We haven't adjusted anything on the back. It's perfect. Let's move on to the most complicated detail, the flounce. We don't know what to do with it yet. We can either attach it this way. We need to gather it more first. Gather the flounce a bit more. Have a look here. Here is the first option. There will be a flounce on the front, and it will end on the back this way. There won't be any flounce on the back. The second option implies the flounce to be attached vice versa. We'll show you the both options. To be honest, I don't like it this way. And Inga agrees with me. It will look better on the back. I like the front without it. Now we can detach the flounce and pin it to the back. I think that we'll choose the second option. There will be the flounce on the back, and it will cover the shoulders. You should understand that if you like an item on a picture, that doesn't mean that you like it on your body. This is how the dress will look like. I like the results of the fitting. I think that the dress looks amazing. Such designs are very good for those who want to hide some parts of their bodies. The flounce attracts the whole attention, so it's not even notable that the hips are not small. This is what I call diversionary tactic. They make our lives much easier. What would you say if the flounce covers just the shoulders? No, I like it this way. Maybe we should make two angles here on the back? I know. We need to make the flounce a bit shorter on the back. Yes, this is a good idea. Now you know how we work. It's hard to decide everything in advance. Your decisions are affected by the way an item fits you. You will look amazing. We've decided to make the bottom narrower, for about 5 mm on each side seam. Have a look at the side seams. They shouldn't be placed closer to the front or to the back. They should be in the middle, and they should be straight. The fitting is over. I'm so glad that I decided to show you the whole process, from choosing design to fitting. We've showed you how to combine fabrics, how to decodize and cut them, and how to adjust a basic pattern. We've also tagged the dress and showed you the fitting. Next time we'll show you a finished item. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Web Irina, Svetlana, and Inga. Goodbye.